Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove a password from a protected Word document. So, if you've forgotten the password or simply want to remove it, stay tuned. Step 1. Start by opening the password-protected Word document. You'll need to enter the correct password to access the file. Step 2. Once you're in the document, go to the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. Then, click on Info to access the document's information options. Step 3. In the Info menu, look for the Protect Document option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Encrypt with Password. Step 4. A dialog box will appear displaying the current password. To remove the password, simply clear the password field. Step 5. After clearing the password, click on the OK button to save the changes and remove the password from the Word document. And that's it. You've successfully removed the password from the protected Word document in Windows 10. Remember, removing the password will make the document accessible to anyone who has access to your computer or the file itself. So, make sure to consider the security implications before removing the password. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.